Welcome to High Desert Ballistics. We are today going to be testing 4 of the cheapest and most durable locks that I could find at both Walmart and Home Depot. So starting here on the left, we've got this cheap, super cheap, just spinny combination lock. This one was only about $2 that I got at Walmart. Next up, we got this Hyper Tough. I got this one at Walmart too. It was about $6. Then we've got this Master Lock that I picked up at Home Depot. This one, I think was about 10 bucks. Then we've got our Brinks. This one was like $16. I got this one at Walmart. So we've got 2 comparable locks made by 2 completely different companies. We're going to be testing if Master makes a lock that is any more durable than the knockoff, because the knockoff is about half the price. We've also just got our cheap little lock. We're going to see what can take that out. And finally, we've got our Brinks lock, which is meant to be the most durable one, and we're going to be seeing what can take that out. So we've got this little wood 2x4. I'm going to be putting some hooks in that, and that is what we're going to be hanging our locks from. I've got the mounting system set up now on this 2x4. I just took some pre-existing bullet holes, put these loops through, and I'm going to be dangling the locks from these. Here we've got our little display of locks. We've got all 4 of them set here in order from the cheapest and most janky. This is just that little $1 something one from Walmart. I'm thinking that I shoot that one first, starting with 22, then we work our way down. I'm thinking we give each one caliber at a time, check them out, see what the damage is, then move on to the next if it survives. I'm going to be starting off with the AR-15 with the 22 conversion right here, and we'll see what the damage is. This AR is sighted in at 100 yards for 5.56. So using this conversion kit, the spread and where I'm hitting is probably going to be kind of off. So if I don't hit it the first time, just know that that's probably why. Oh, got it. So if you guys can see, our initial lock, the first cheap one, it's toast. There's nothing left of that thing. It is completely gone. So I took about 5-ish rounds of 22. You can see it right here. It took 1 shot for the entire dial to be broken off. Then a couple were just in the same spot. Then it took 1 placed by the actual shackle, and then he just busted open and we got in. All it took was 22 for our first one. You can see the shackle down here. See if I hit it. I don't think I did, but our first one is done for. I guess on to our second lock. See if 22 can get through this one. So here is our cheap Master Lock, and you can see that the plates are falling apart. We haven't unlocked it yet, but you can see that the metal is pretty weak, that even with just some 22s, we're making chips and bending the metal quite a bit. I nicked it here, and you can see that it's like peeling off. It busted off one of these little rivets. So if I placed quite enough shots here, this whole thing probably would fall apart. So maybe this one isn't the greatest. I guess onto our master lock. This one's a little bit smaller. It's going to be kind of hard to hit, but onto that one. So I've put about 10 rounds into this one. You can see that I hit that bottom plate and it actually cracked it right there. So it cracked it, it pushed it in, and oh wow, there's our keyhole. It's pretty crazy looking. You can see that there's just a chunk of lead sitting there. So this one actually does look slightly tougher. I mean, the metal, it's a little more brittle, like it cracked, but this one got deformed way more. The keyhole's still fine too. This one had just like a little thin piece of sheet metal over it. And then also on the other side, it also cracked the metal. So this one just cracks. This one just gets deformed a lot. That's the biggest difference I'm seeing so far between the two master lock looking ones. And then now we're going to be moving on to the Brinks, seeing what we can do to this one. So this is the Brinks lock, and I'm pretty shocked. This is kind of crazy. This one is meant to be the most expensive, strongest one, since this one was like $17. And this one looks like the second most damaged. I mean, the first one got obliterated, it's completely gone. But this one has a hole to the inside. And you would think that this Brinks one is pretty strong, but I guess not. It was pretty brittle. You can see that the metal just crumpled in. It ripped open, and it's really thin metal apparently. It felt thick and heavy duty, but these other ones are holding up a lot better than this expensive one. The next thing that we're going to be testing, I guess on just the 3 locks that are remaining, is going to be regular 5.56. So these are just some practice rounds. So here I've got the AR with the regular 5.56. I'm not going to be putting as many rounds as I did with the 22 into those, so I don't want to obliterate them, but I am going to be trying to put at least one into the body of it and one into the shackle. So as you guys can tell, the 5.56 completely obliterated all of these. So we've got our first off-brand master lock. You can see that I made 2 shots into the body of it, and then a final one into the shackle. And our lock is open. It's pretty cool actually. Got it right on the shackle. You can see the internals. This thing is no more. Even if I didn't hit the shackle with those 2 little things right there, I'd be able to open it right up. So our off-brand master lock did not make it through 5.56. We've got our Brinks lock, which is sitting right here. You can see that we've got 1 hole clear through it. May have been 2 as well. I believe the first one just blew it straight out of the wood. So I'm gonna have to put it into a different hole so that we can test it again. I'll try to hit the shackle, see if we can get a hole in that one. But now I gotta actually find the real master lock, because I saw that it got flung somewhere over here and then it made a dust cloud. When I find it, oh, it's right here. It's about 15 feet away. Oh, and it is completely open. You can see the master lock. I didn't even hit the shackle and it opened. Let me bring it back to the bench. So you can see that I hit it dead center in the body of it, and it just tore it open. Somehow the shackle became loose, and that unlocked our lock. So apparently, if you ever need to get inside somewhere and you don't have a key to a lock, if you've got 556, you can get in. That's pretty crazy looking. The only one that technically survived, but I didn't get a shot that was close enough to the shackle, was the Brinks lock. So I'm gonna put it back in here. I'm gonna see if I can get it with just 556. Catch you guys in a second. So I got the Brinks lock screwed back into one of the holes, more in the center. Hopefully we don't split the 2x4 in this spot. And hopefully I can get one probably right here in the center, and then I'm gonna try to aim for the shackle. I believe there's nothing here on this side when I twisted the key, and it comes from this side. So if I hit it here, it'll probably disconnect it. So I shot it, and the entire wood beam got completely shot backwards. And if you can see why, it's because I hit it dead center and I actually blew out the core. So there is no longer a core. You'll be able to see completely through it. So this lock is completely useless. If I wiggled some stuff around in here, I believe that it would completely open. There's a hole straight through it. Let's see. So it's not coming loose yet. I can try to hit the shackle just to see if, without messing anything up inside, if I can get it unlocked just with the bullet. So apparently our lock is donezo. It hit it right where the shackle was, and it is now busted clean open. You can see that it fell off of the hook that's here. It also split our wood clean in half. This one I'm gonna have to replace for next time. So apparently I didn't think that this would be the case, but 556 will take out any common lock that you find at any store, like Home Depot or Walmart. Because I mean, I even got this top of the line, whatever they had at Walmart was the nicest Brinks, meant to be safest lock. Like 3 well-placed rounds of 556, and you can see that it's got torn open. It's just totally done for. All of the master locks didn't even stand a single chance. One well-placed round could probably blow it in half. As long as it's dead center or right on the shackle area, it'll completely unlock it. That one was the, I believe, off-brand. Then we've got the actual master lock. And those little $1 ones, that's not even going to be stopped by a 22. So, if you're looking to get a lock, don't go to Walmart or don't go to Home Depot and try to get one if you want it to be bulletproof. I hope you guys liked the video. This one was kind of expensive. It was, I now actually tore down my wood stand, so it became a little bit more expensive. But this is the third video on the channel, High Desert Ballistics. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe for sure, because it's a brand new channel. We're looking to do stuff just like this, all of our videos. We did homemade body armor. We did how many sheets of paper does it take to stop a bullet? And then we did this with the locks. So if you guys have any ideas, these are just the ones that I came up with. Leave a comment down below. Please subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.